Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen. All great power comes with a little bit of irresponsibility. Alright? So sue me. Get some. Hot now, yeah, burnout session. I don't do too many burnouts, alright? But hot now. Now my wheels and tires here, the little ones. Yeah, I see people pointing and laughing when I'm driving down the street. That's alright, because they don't point and laugh when I'm at the track. I got mud tires. Alright, not only do I got these ones, I got a set for the truck over here in the garage. Alright, I just like riding around on the little ones because it shifts faster and it's faster. Alright. Now that little burnout right there took half the life of these cheap ass tires away. Alright, half the life is gone. It tore them up bad. We got, yeah, all that tire is all over here. Oh baby. Yep, gonna have to clean up a little bit. Remember back in the day, I did do a burnout when the truck was stopped. And I had the camera on the side of the truck and people were like, oh yeah, you got one wheel peel. You got one wheel peel. Since I had a 6-speed, right, and it was an express, they thought I didn't have the limited slip differential. Joke was on them, all right? I did have the limited slip. It does lock up in the rear when I hit it. Yeah, it came like that. Some of the trucks do, some of the trucks don't. All right, you just can't automatically guess, right? You know, I like automatic guessers. Automatic. Yeah, baby. I love this truck. Did I ever tell you that? Yeah, I did. Yeah. Yes, tailgate's off. Everything is still like in race mode because I was supposed to race tomorrow, Saturday and Sunday. It's not happening. All right? It's not happening. I'm pretty upset. It was my birthday week, anniversary week. It's supposed to be a fun racing week. I'm supposed to go to Disneyland, all right? All that stuff did not happen. We all know why. All right, hot man, what is that? Oh, I thought there was dirt up on here. I was gonna be mad. People were like, well, you wash your truck, it's about to rain. Well, this is Las Vegas. You should know better, all right? It looks like it's gonna rain, but it's not. And when it doesn't look like it's gonna rain, that's when it's gonna rain. All right, hot man, hell yeah, I appreciate all y'all. Y'all are badass. I hope you enjoyed that little burnout session. That's about all the burnouts you're gonna get for a while. All right, gotta save that trans, right? Gotta save the trans, that's how I do it. Just don't even mess with it. Hot damn, hell yeah.